Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you that how you can remove your Apple ID from the iPhone. So if you have signed in the Apple ID, now you have forgot your Apple ID passcode. Now you are not able to reset the passcode because you don't have the phone number or email address, but you want to sign out or completely delete the iCloud or Apple ID from your iPhone. Then I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm going to show you everything step by step. So watch this video until the end. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So to fix this, to remove this Apple ID from the iPhone, we have to do it with the PC. So let's move to my desktop and let me show you everything. So once you're on the Windows PC, make sure that you click in the link in the description and you have to download this AnyUnlock iPhone password unlocker. Unlock iPhone passcode, AnyUnlock iCloud activation. So as you can see, there is a lot of features that you can read through it. Unlock screen passcode, bypass MDM, unlock Apple ID, screen time passcode. So download this tool in your PC. So I have already downloaded and installed this tool. And now just let me simply show you everything that step by step how you can do that. So once you have the tool installed, any iPhone password unlocker, you have to open the tool in your PC. Once the tool is open, now you have to select your unlock Apple ID. So there is a lot of options like unlock screen passcode, bypass MDM, remove iTunes backup encryption, bypass iCloud activation. We have to select this because we have to remove the Apple ID. Click on unlock Apple ID and then simply click on start. Now you have to connect your iPhone with the Lightning USB cable with your PC. So once the iPhone is connected, you can simply click on unlock, right? And then simply check and confirm your device status. Please make sure screen passcode and two-factor authentication is turned on your device. And then simply click on continue and click on confirmed. So now as you can see, it's giving you to download the firmware, right? It's your device and the iOS version. Simply click on download and it will download and verify the firmware. So I have skipped the part where I have downloaded the firmware because the file was almost 6 GB. Now just let it verify the firmware and just wait and make sure that your iPhone is connected with the USB cable all the time with your computer. So once the firmware is downloaded completed, now as you can see you have the unlock option. Simply click on it and it will start unlocking your iPhone. So make sure that you don't disconnect your iPhone from the computer. Just wait, it will take about 10 minutes. So guys, now as you can see the process is completed. Now you will see on the any password unlocker, please set up your device. Simply press the home button, make sure that your iPhone is connected. Select your language, select the region. Then click on setup manually, click on continue. Now you have to connect your iPhone with the Wi-Fi network in order to do the setup. Now simply select this unlock with the passcode and click on use device passcode. Now you have to enter the passcode of your iPhone, right? With the passcode you can unlock your Apple ID. Now this time it will be removed. iPhone will use your passcode to unlock it. So simply click on configuration complete and as you can see device setup, device complete. Now click on done. So now just click on continue, click on setup later, don't use, click on passcode option, don't use, don't transfer, click on setup later, click on agree, continue. So here we go guys. Now as you can see guys, the Apple ID is completely removed from your iPhone. Now you can sign in your new Apple ID. The iPhone is also on the latest iOS. So here we go. So this is how you can remove your Apple ID without the password. So make sure that you check this tool out and hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.